Hello, this is Chris from Palatec, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a table to our site using the TablePress plugin and the Elementor page builder. First we need to go over to the left bar where it says plugin, and then we are going to click on add new, and on the top right we are going to type TablePress. Here, this is the one we need. It will allow us to make a table and insert it on our site using a simple short code. So we click on install and then we click on activate, and here it is. Now we go on the left bar where it says TablePress. We are going to click on add new table. So we need to give our table a name. We are going to give it new table. We can add a description of the table, and we can give the number of rows. We are going to use 2 rows, and the number of columns, 3 columns. So we are going to click on add table, and here we are. This is the short code we need to add on the text editor, and this is the content of the table. We can move it by dragging and dropping, and we have 2 rows and 3 columns. And on the table manipulator we can insert a link, an image, an advanced editor. We can hide and show the rows, duplicate, add a new one, delete. We can insert a new one, and we can select it and delete it, and we can delete the columns in the same manner. And we can also add row span and column span, hide and show, duplicate, insert or delete, and add more columns if we want to. So we are going to select the first row, and we are going to insert an advanced editor. To that we are going to click and then click on the column we want to add it. So we are going to add some text. We're going to write row text, and we can add media and some of the other plugins we have installed. And now on the second row we are going to insert an image in the same manner. We click on insert image and then click on the row, and we are going to add the elephant image. We are going to click insert on table. Now we can do that on the other row like this: row text 3, and we are going to insert some other images to our table. So we have some table options. We can use the table head row as a header and the table row foot as a footer. We can use the alternating row color, row hover highlight, the highlight arrow while the mouse cursor hover above it by changing its background color. We can show the table name above the table and show the table description below the table. We can add some additional CSS classes, and we can use data tables that features the data label transcript layer in this table. Enable the sorting of the table by visitors. Enable the visitors to filter or search the table. enable the pagination of the table, show 10 rows per page, allow the visitor to change the number of rows shown when using pagination, and enable the table information display with information about the currently visited data like the number of rows. And we can enable an horizontal scrolling. So we are going to save the changes we have made to our table, and now we are going to copy the shortcode by holding the left control and pressing the C key on the keyboard. Now we are going to visit our site, and then we are going to click on edit with Elementor. And now we are going to scroll down to an empty section, and we are going to type on the widget search bar text, and we are going to add a text editor by clicking, holding, dragging and releasing in on the section. Now we are going to paste the shortcode by holding the left control and pressing the V- on the keyboard like this, and we are going to apply to update the changes to the page. And now we are going to click on the lower left on the update button to save the changes, and we are going to click on the preview button, the eye icon on the lower left. So we are going to scroll down to our table, and it has shown up, and it's showing 1 to 1 entries. We have the previous and the next entry. If we have any, we have a search bar, a pagination, we can show 10 entries, and we have the image of the row and the text we have added as we did in the configuration. It shows the caption of the image if it has any, and there it is, our table. So we had add a table using the TablePress plugin and the Elementor page builder in a quick, easy manner, and it looks good indeed. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.